Welcome back, everyone, and prepare to be captivated, because today we're witnessing the return of an automotive legend. The 2025 Peugeot 504 is here, reborn with modern brilliance while still carrying the soul of a classic that once defined French elegance. This isn't just a car, it's a tribute to heritage, reimagined for the 21st century. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the new 504 commands attention. It's a bold reinterpretation of the original's iconic silhouette. Long hood, short rear overhang, and that unmistakable three-box design. But this time, it's infused with futuristic updates. Full-width LED matrix headlights, illuminated Peugeot branding, and aerodynamic curves that blend form and function flawlessly. Signature rectangular daytime running lights pay homage to the past, while flush door handles, sculpted fenders, and 20-inch turbine alloy wheels add a distinctly modern edge. Available in striking two-tone paint schemes like sapphire gray, carmine red, and ivory pearl, the 504 doesn't just turn heads, it makes them turn twice. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a high-end lounge on wheels. Premium Napa leather upholstery, natural wood trim, and French-stitched accents surround you in refined craftsmanship. The iconic Peugeot i-Cockpit returns, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10-inch central infotainment screen, and a driver-centric dashboard designed for intuitive control. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice recognition, over-the-air updates, and ambient lighting sync to your mood or driving mode keep things fresh and connected. Rear passengers are treated to limousine-level comfort with reclining seats, dedicated climate zones, touchscreen controls, and even available massage functions. And thanks to enhanced acoustic insulation and dual-pane glass, the cabin remains whisper-quiet at highway speeds. Under the hood, the 2025 Peugeot 504 offers a choice between a 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 180 horsepower or a plug-in hybrid variant combining the same engine with dual electric motors for a total of 225 horsepower and up to 55 kilometers, 34 miles of all-electric range. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, both options deliver smooth, responsive performance ideal for city streets and open highways alike. The chassis tuning strikes a perfect balance, planted, composed, and impressively quiet. Safety and technology haven't been overlooked either. The 504 comes loaded with Drive Assist Plus, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, traffic sign recognition, and for the first time in its class, Level 2 semi-autonomous driving. Automated parking assist and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering effortless. Priced from around $33,000 with fully loaded PHEV trims near $45,000, the 504 brings premium luxury and retro-inspired flair at a compelling value. So should you settle for another practical sedan when the Peugeot 504 offers something truly special? If you're craving beauty, identity, and soul in your daily drive, this is your car. If you love this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss what's next. Drop your thoughts below. We love hearing from you. And if you're seriously considering the 2025 Peugeot 504, visit your nearest dealership and take one for a spin. You might just fall in love.